this is Objective 3 Day 1 homework, and it's only problems 5 and 6 on this video. There's my arrow. There we go. Okay, so we have basically a changing line is this one, and then a slope in the second question. Okay, so your answers for both of them should be C. So for number 5, what happens to the slope of this line? This is P. If the line is shifted, which means moved, so that the y-intercept increases and the x-intercept stays the same. So here's my y-intercept, here's my x-intercept. So this guy needs to stay where he is. This guy, the y-intercept, needs to move. So I'm going to move him up, I don't know, to there somewhere, just so it increases somehow. And so now here would be your new line. So you can see that this new line is steeper than the old line. So if we look from here, well, the slope didn't change from positive to negative. It's still positive on both of them. And so both answers A and B are out. The slope will increase is the correct answer. Whenever a line gets more steep, it has more slope. It becomes bigger. Okay, you can remember that because if it were completely horizontal, it would have a slope of 0. So the more you go up, the bigger that number has to be. Okay, and then number 6, what's the rate of change of the graph to the right? And so you're going to find 2 points somewhere and then just find the rise and the run. So there's 1 point and here's another point. You could do closer points, but I want to do this one. So I'm going to count up, and it's 3. And it's, since I went up, it's going to be a positive 3. And then I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since I went to the right, it's positive 5. And so that, if you were to simplify it, reduces to 0.6. So C is your answer. You can see where they would try to trick you with the 3.5, because you would see a 3 and then a 5 and put them together. And then the 1.67 is if you did the run first, 5 over 3, you would get 1.67. So make sure that you do rise over run, and then that should give you the right answer. And you can pick any 2 points you want. They'll all simplify to the same answer.